Hi friends, so this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So a new month is coming from tomorrow. That means Arun is going to make a video on top updates. So welcome you guys. I also made a recent video on Riester Rente, which you can still make and claim up to 950 euros per a family of 4. So please do have a look at the video. The link is also given in the description. So now let's go on to the today's content. Hi again guys, so like I said, the last date for Riester is going to end at December 31st, so that is one update. That is a remark. So the top 3 updates we have is, one is from Deutsche Bahn. So Deutsche Bahn December, the winter timetable will be starting from December 13th. They have a new timetable, so this will be applicable till June 12th, 2021. So please have a look at it and ensure that you have the right take the right trains. And also the price of it has been increased in certain levels. Say the Bahn 100 card has been increased by 1.9% and the other flexi price by 1.5%, and normal tickets on an average of 1%, but this they have trying to adjust reducing the taxes. So this is a short update on Deutsche Bahn, guys. The other 2 updates are for people who want to buy a house and have a house in Germany. So point number 2, so if you already have an apartment or a house in Germany, you have the right to install modern technologies that can access 5G, for example, or you have a right to install electrical car charging station in your home, like points which will give access to cars. So this was not previously kind of something by right, but by now everyone has the right to install it, but at your own expense, of course. The third one is kind of important for home buyers. So last month I made a video in which, for those who following, definitely I told about the compulsory energy certificate submission by a seller to buyer, so that the buyer knows okay, this particular house having a energy class of A, B, C or something like that, and how much electricity you will spend if you buy that house, for heating and so on. But now they have made one step further and then said, okay, there is no necessity for the buyer to always bear the cost of brokerage for a house. So from December 23rd, this month onwards, it will happen that a seller has to take at least 50% of the broker's commission, him or herself. So this means your houses will get the half the commission cheaper, or you save some money. But there is a common fear that this cost might be transferred indirectly by increasing the price of the house. This we cannot avoid, but still this is a very good move and a positive thing, I would say. So for those who are buying houses, say between 300, 500 or 600,000 euros, definitely it's a very good win situation. So this is all the updates we have for this month, guys. So one update comes for next year. I'll tell in the next video. There will be an increase in Arbeitslosengeld 2 and Hartz-IV. So probably this will be preponed to December, but there is no confirmation yet. So these are all the updates. I hope you liked it. So join us on our Telegram, like our Facebook page, and show your support. So that's very important for me. So thanks for all your support so far, and have a nice day, and bye bye.